Hello, this is Chris Marabella with Marabella Commercial Finance. Today is March 15th, 2011, and I'm going to talk to you about the capital markets for net lease properties such as Walgreens, CVS, Home Depot, Lowe's, and others. I'm going to back up a little bit today and talk about the third and fourth quarter of 2010. We completed a Walgreen transaction loan right around $4.6 million. In the third quarter, locked rate at 5.25. We saw much lower swap rates at that time in the mid to high twos. Right now for swap spread, right around 10-year swaps at 350, 10-year treasuries at 329. So we're seeing slightly higher rates than them. We closed another Walgreen loan in the mid $4 million range. In the fourth quarter, that again was a 1030 CMBS loan, and that rate was much higher. We locked rate in the high fives, and I think that has kind of slowed down the net lease market to some extent. So we saw a slight slowdown in January and February, and I'm hoping in come spring we'll start to see a pickup as rates have kind of come down, as well as the 10-year swap rate. Right now for CMBS pricing, we're probably right around 5% to 5.6. Typically, the higher the leverage that you have with the CMBS loan, the higher the spread you're going to have. For lower leverage transactions, 50 to 60% loan to value, we're probably right around, I would say, 5.25, 5.5. For transactions that are 70 to 75% loan to value, we're probably in the mid 5.5, 5.6% range, and that's for a 10-year fixed rate loan with a 30-year amortization. We would use a debt yield of 9 to 10% and a minimum debt service coverage ratio of 120. For our life companies, we're seeing rates in the range of anywhere between 5 to 6%. We can offer a 5, 7, 10, 15, or 25-year fixed rate loan. Typically, borrowers like the life companies better than the CMBS lenders for the fact that their loan docs are normally less cumbersome. The cost is less, and that's primarily, as well as sometimes they have a friendlier prepayment penalty. So that's why some of the borrowers we're dealing with for Walgreens, CVS, and other net lease properties have requested that we source their loans through life companies. The advantage of CMBS lenders is that you get a longer amortization, 30-year am, so your loan constant is less, and you normally reap much more cash flow, but you have to put up with a more stringent prepay and more cumbersome loan documents. For our bank lenders, we're dealing with a lot of regional banks out there. Typically, they're offering 5-year fixed rate loans, anywhere between 5 to 6% with a 25 to 30-year am. And typically, their prepay is normally more friendly. It goes from no prepay to 1 to 3% of the loan balance. That's typical right now for some of the banks that we're dealing with in our universe. Non-recourse is really a function of leverage, quality of location, and strength of sponsorship. We're still targeting Walgreens, CVS, Home Depot, Lowe's, Jack in the Box, 7-Eleven, Dollar General, Advanced Auto, AutoZone, just to name a few. And if you want the list of credit tenants that we're currently targeting, you just go ahead and email me at CHRIS Marabella, MARABELLA @yahoo.com, and I can send you a list of the current credit tenants that we're currently targeting for permanent and construction financing. We will be at the ICSC in May, and look forward to seeing you there at the convention. Convention's an excellent place to find out which tenants are expanding still, what developer landlords are up to, and just seeing what's happening in the marketplace for Net Lease Properties. If you have any transactions, you can contact us anytime. My direct line is 760-479-0800. Again, that number, 760-479-0800. You can also text us anytime for current pricing for Walgreens, CVS, and any other Net Lease Properties at 760-803-6464. Again, that number, 760-803-6464. You can also download our rate sheet right off our homepage. We do our best to keep that updated to give to your clients or just for yourself if you want to know where current rates are for financing of these kind of properties. Just go to our website at www.marabella.finance.com. If you want any type of ideas of properties that are for sale, feel free to give me a call and I can give you some ideas, possibly refer you, or if we know of any transactions that are available that meet your parameters, we'll help you to figure that out. Again, my name is Chris Marabella. I'm with Marabella Commercial Finance. We've been financing Net Lease Properties literally since 1970. And done 23 of the Walgreens, done several of the CVS stores, 15 of the Kragen stores, numerous 19 Jack in the Boxes, several AutoZones, Family Dollar, Dollar General stores. Pretty much any kind of net lease property out there, we've financed it. This is a great time for financing. Financing is much better than it was in 2009 and 2010. And borrowers have a much greater selection of financing options at this point. So feel free to give me a call and we'll customize a loan to meet your specific needs. And I thank you for listening to this video update for the capital markets for Net Lease Properties. Have a great week and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.